Hey, in front of me is HUAWEI P30 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can check all device specifications on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now tap on the search bar, type DevCheck, and download this free app from this developer. After that, tap on Open. As you can see over here, you can find out all the informations about your dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!